cast on is called an E-wrap cast on, and like so many of the cast ons, you start out with a slip knot. This is an adjustable knot. You can make it go completely away. You just wrap it around, pull the yarn through it. And I'm going to put my needle in here, and this E-wrap is called this because it looks like a lowercase e when you loop your yarn around. And you just turn the yarn and put it on your knitting needle. It's not as flexible as some other cast-on, but it does have kind of a nice edge on both sides. It looks pretty much the same. It's a little harder to knit into because it's not very flexible.